How's it going, guys? Ryan Dieger here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make samples and loops on the go for under $1. And we're going to be using Figure for iOS, and when you make these samples and loops on the go, you can just come back to your computer once you've made some stuff that you like and use them in your DJ sets, you know, in Traktor's remix decks or in Serato sample player. So yeah, let's take a look and see how it works. Alright, so once you've got Figure open here, what you can do is go to Song, and let's say you want to set a loop at 100 BPM or 95 BPM, you can do that. Just change the song tempo there. And we're going to go to Pattern and just quickly clear out these strips here, make sure nothing's in them. And we're just going to start recording a simple 4/4 pattern. So it's already set to record, and it'll start playing once I actually touch a strip here. You can see the timeline going up ahead here. So let's just add in a clap into there as well. So now the cool thing with Reason is that you can just you can get all kinds of different patterns here. So you just slide up and down, and you'll get a different quantized amount. So you get some cool, cool variations on your sound here. So now if I want to export what I recorded, I just go to System, and I can hit Share here, and I've already named my file 95 BPM. So I go to Share, and I can just hit iTunes, and then what that's going to do is that when I plug my iPhone into my computer, I can find these files under Figure in the iTunes program. So let's go show you how to do that. Alright, so now we're going to find that file in iTunes on our iPhone here. So you just go and you select iPhone, and then you click Apps up here, and that's going to open up a window. You scroll to the very bottom, and there's going to be a window called File Sharing. So you go down there and you just click on Figure, and we can see all the loops that we've saved and recorded here. So I'm going to copy and drag these over to the desktop. And now that that's done, we can add them into Traktor and use them in the remix decks. So let's see how that works. Alright, so before we get to the demo here, just a couple things I need to clear up. When I loaded the loops into Traktor's remix decks, it set them both to 76 BPM, even though they're 95. So I'm going to just click them both here and type them into 95 and set them both to loops. And another issue here too, you can open this up in a bigger window. You can see that there's some dead space kind of at the end of the loop, and the way that you can get around this is you load your loop into a track deck, and again it's going to set it to 76. I'm going to put it to 95 and just set a 16 beat loop, and that will get rid of that dead space here. So now we're just going to load this into our remix deck, and we can get to the demo. So that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial on how you can make samples and loops for under $1 using Figure on iOS. Once again, Ryan Dieger here. Take care.